Hola chicas, ¿qué tal estáis? Just for today's class, this is going to be a little short, quick video. I want you to have a look at this comprehension here. Lee este artículo de opinión y rellena los espacios con las expresiones de abajo. Okay, so this is talking about the internet. Okay, so you got to fill in, you got las palabras abajo, you've got the words below here. Yeah, and then you've got los huecos here. So you're going to read through it and you're going to fill in the words as you're going through it. Okay, I'm just going to highlight a couple of words quickly for you to para ayudar. First thing I want to debatido here is just that's a debate. Okay, it's un tema muy debatido, it's a very debated theme. Tema is a theme nowadays. Okay, fuente aquí is a source, so it can be like a fountain, but it means here fuente inmensa is a immense source of information. That's why I had here peligros, so we know that's from peligroso, so that's going to be dangerous. Okay, the rest of the verb here, me manda, so cada vez que un profesor me manda. This may here, we're going to look in a couple of weeks' time. This is, you know, it's the teacher sends me, yeah, or asks me. So asks me. So mandar has two meanings. It can be to send, mandar un mensaje, or this un profesor me manda a hacer. So yeah, sends me to do a project. Lo primero que hago, the first thing I do is something. Yeah. Es hallar is otra manera de say buscar. Hallar is not otra manera de say to search or to find. Just be careful here with this one here. Datos does not mean dates. Datos here translates as information, okay? So hay muchos datos sobre tú. So there's lots of information about whatever, okay? The rest, okay. Yeah, the rest looks all right. Yeah, just as vigilar, this is obviously to watch or to look over. Yeah, so los padres deben must watch over or pay attention to cómo usan internet sus hijos, how their kids use the internet. And this fraude here, that is your fraud. Okay, I'm just going to go through the little words that you're going to fill in. Like, so considerar is the verb to consider. So normally this might be a debe or tengo que or hay que before it's an infinitive. Okay, pantallas, screens. Sobrevivir is to survive. Vulnerables is vulnerable. Educar, so that's another AR verb, to educate. We've seen before that acoso is bullying, so obviously ciberacoso is cyberbullying. Escuchar is to listen, another AR verb. Encender is to turn on, okay. Negocio is a business. Pero por otro lado, so you might know this from your written pieces, okay? Pero por otro lado means on the other hand, okay, or on the other. So you're making an opposite point to the one you've made beforehand. La verdadera identidad, so the real identity, okay? The real identity, verdadera, real identidad, identity. Clientes is clients. Vida privada en, so your private life. Robar is another AR verb, to rob. Beneficios, benefits. Víctimas, victims. Peligros is danger. Para concluir is to finish up or to summarize. Yeah. Negar, to deny. So you can't deny something. Yeah. And buscar is to find. It's like another one saying hallar. So just scan through just fill them in as you're going through them, okay? And fill them in as you go through them as well. So you're going to fill them in. You have a look and just translate any words that you're not unsure of, okay? Yeah, that's perfect. Muchas gracias, chicas. I'll be back tomorrow. So make sure you have the comprehension done from the other day and get this all in Página 235. And if you could bring your exam papers for Wednesday, that would be perfect. Muchas gracias.